Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we have an unboxing. Let me see if I can flip the camera. Today we have an unboxing. I never do unboxings, but today I'm gonna do it. I'll be doing this one right here. This one is an update for my Kawasaki Ninja 650R project, which is gonna be Street Fighter. This is one of the parts, so stay tuned for the opening. Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're having an update for the $250 stunt bike or Street Fighter bike, the one I picked up from the auction. This is something random, don't mind. I have it right here. So far, today's Saturday. The date is the, hey, what's the date today? 8/11/2018 is the Saturday. So we have the handlebars, because mine's are all messed up. So I went with the PROTAPER. They're high. Here you guys have it. This type of handlebars are perfect for anyone who's looking out there to wheelies, and then you don't want to sit all the way down. And because my bike has a handlebar, it does not come with clip-ons. You can go on clip-ons, but we're gonna be leaning all the way down, which is something I don't like. And then for wheelies, these bars are just perfect. They are CR high. Let's see how much I pay for it. $69.99. They're 7/8, which you have right here. That's the white in here, 7/8. That's the white there. Let's see if I can find something else. That's like PROTAPER. You guys already know. If you guys have any other bike, have ever used one of these little cushion thing with the bar right in the middle. Pretty nice looking bars. The only thing it says is just CR high. They're made of aluminum. See any specs right there? The PROTAPER is E bars has set the new standard for 7/8 aluminum handlebars. Let's see, it has all the descriptions in here. So yeah, can't wait to get this one ready on my Kawasaki Ninja 650R or Kawasaki Ninja EX650. Oh yeah, 650R, same model, 2006 to 2008. After 2009, everything is different. But yeah, this is PROTAPER bars. You can chop this one off right there. And then I went ahead and I also purchased a PROTAPER grips. I paid $12.99. This one is not an open end, but you can always grab like a little knife and then chop the end off. Because I'm going on the like end mirrors or side mirrors, the one are gonna go right on the end of the taper bar, the PROTAPER bar. So yeah, we have PROTAPER handlebars, $69.99. PROTAPER grips, $12.99. I went ahead and already purchased the let's see if we can focus. Motorcycle grip glue. It's like a glue for your grips. You put them in there and slide it back in, and you put the rest. But on this one, honestly, you don't need this. You can do it with any type of glue. Crazy glue, Gorilla glue, any type. But I was already there. This one it was like $2.99. So I was like, yeah, why not? So let's buy it. So I have this, handlebars, grips, glue. I've been wanting to try these little ones. It's pretty good. Skittles, spicy, not that spicy. And this one right here, these are my forks. They're not brand new, but they're for the same bike as mine. Cause brand new, I think they go over 300. So I came up with those. I think I paid like 120 for shipping all the way to my house. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So that's what we have so far. Today I found out Walmart has my battery. It's like 56 bucks, less than $60. Because at the dealers, I'm not gonna say names, but the dealers here in Cali, the cheapest one is like 95 bucks, and then the Walmart has it for like 60, a little bit less than 60, like 56 with change. But yeah, so let me go ahead. Let's grab some knife. Stop this thing. Go all the way to the other side. Too bad I don't have my torch. I want to use to disassemble the rotary engine, but a knife will do it. Will do a trick. It's nothing that I can damage. See how they package this crap. That's something I would do. Put paper with shipping crap. It's kind of hard. Open it one hand. Have to hold the knife like a MacGyver or Rambo. Stab that bitch. Ah! Okay. Okay, enough playing. Let's be safe. Put this away. What time is it? 5:54. I almost have to go back to work. So anyway, what we have here? Nothing. 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 More nothing. Hey, look how they package this crap. That is something I would do when I don't have enough paper to wrap stuff. Yeah, but mine is better and neat. So it's supposed to got nothing on me. So one more paper here. Hey, maybe you can hold the phone for me so I can do this. Let me just pause it. I'm filming. Hold on. Okay. Alright, now that someone is filming, we're gonna go ahead and do this thing again. More crap. More crap. And this is what we're looking for. We'll get rid of the box. So what we have right here, this is the forks. So let's go ahead and open it. Again, we need the Rambo knife. I'm gonna stab, open, like if you're opening a turkey or something. part looks good. Seems straight. It holds pressure, no oil leak. On the spring seems alright. So okay. Get rid of this trash. This one here. Get the Rambo knife off. Get the other one on top here. Now, there you guys have it. Alright, I'm back. So there you guys have it. Those are my new used forks. Well, they're used, but they're new for me. Those are my PROTAPER handlebars. This is the glue. They ripped me up. They sold me that one when I have a lot. But anyway, I purchased it because $2, why not? I have the grips. Tonight, only thing I need is a battery. Today is Saturday the 10th. Will be a Monday. I will gonna install the forks on the handlebar. So yeah, that's about it. I just need that. Still need the headlight. I'm gonna need the signal lights because here in California you must have the signal lights 9 inches apart. So I need a signal light. I need a headlight. I'm gonna go Street Fighter, so I will need the fenders or the fairings, the covers on the side. So yeah, that's about it. Like always, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching the unboxing. For the ones out there with the rotary engines, my bad, I don't have a rotary or Mazda RX-8, RX-7 or any rotary video today. It's all about the bike today. So yeah, thanks for watching. That was the unboxing on the parts I have. So tonight I will get in the battery from Walmart. Maybe I'll do a short video on Walmart, why not? So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Like always, leave your comment below, talk shit, or whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching.